Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of red light therapy and why it needs to be a must-have in your skincare routine. Hey babes, welcome back. It's your girl Steph J, and I'm getting ready for bed, but I wanted to share with you what I was about to do. I'm about to do my red light therapy mask, and I thought to myself, let me share it with my girls too, because there's no reason why I need to keep this glow to myself. I also want to introduce you to the Current Body Skin LED Light Therapy Mask because it's been a game changer in my skin and my routine. Whether you're dealing with fine lines, acne, or just wanting to get more of a radiant glow, red light therapy is one of those treatments that you could really look into. So let's get into it. So what exactly is red light therapy? Red light therapy is also known as a low light laser therapy, which involves exposing your skin to low wavelengths of red light. This is a practice that's been studied for years and has come up with great results in boosting collagen production, reducing inflammation, and even speeding up the healing process in wounds. This therapy penetrates deep into the skin, targeting cells and helping them to produce more energy, which leads to healthier skin overall. And that's exactly what we're going for. Now let's talk about the benefits. One of the main reasons why people love red light therapy is its ability to reduce the signs of fine lines and wrinkles. By stimulating collagen production, red light therapy helps to plump the skin, making it look more youthful and vibrant. The crazy part is there's even more benefits. It can help with skin tone, texture, or even help with the signs of sun damage. It's also amazing for those struggling with active acne breakouts. The light reduces inflammation and can target the bacteria that's causing the breakouts, which can lead to you having clearer skin over time. This is like giving your skin a reset to reveal youthful and radiant looking skin. And the best part, this entire process is painless. Essentially, using red light therapy is like giving your skin a reset, a radiant glow. Now let's talk about the Current Body Skin LED Light Therapy Mask. This is my device that was gifted by the brand. This mask is also able to deliver visible anti-aging results with 132 LEDs that emit 2 clinically recognized wavelengths for anti-aging, red at 633 nm and near infrared at 830 nm. So this mask is effective and non-invasive. Here is what the masks look like. Jump scare. So you have the mask, it's silicone. You see the infrared. Well, it's not infrared, but this is where the LED lights are gonna be. This is how you turn it on or off. So this is what it looks like when it's on. And then it's just pretty easy to just pop on your face, strap it in. And now I look like a jump scare, but you know, it gets the job done because the skin is glowing. It also comes with a little eye mask for you to put on under your mask, just to make sure that you're getting like eye protection and everything. I'm sure I look pretty silly right now, but I'm really happy that it came with this because sometimes I'll do the LED eye mask at night and I just want to like chill out, zone out, and not be like overstimulated by the bright red light. Using the Current Body Skin LED mask is super simple. You want to start off by cleansing your face, washing your face, and patting it dry. Ensure that your skin is free from any makeup or skincare products. And with only 10 minutes a day, you're already off to a healthy glowing skin. This face mask is also great for those who have sensitive skin, who find it difficult to use other products to help their skin because it's too invasive or it's too irritating. If you're dealing with redness, acne, or just want to give your skin an overall boost, this is the mask for you. If you're ready to take your skin to the next level, I highly suggest that you give the Current Body Skin LED mask a try. I've been loving my results and I think you will too. And don't forget to check the description box for a special code just for you. Thank you so much for watching, but if you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the bell, subscribe, like it, and share with somebody who's trying to get their skincare routine on lock this year.